At Shockwave Roofing, we believe your home deserves a roof built to last and a team you can depend on. We specialize in high-quality roofing installations, repairs, and replacements that protect your family year after year. Our experienced crew uses premium materials and proven techniques to ensure your roof stands strong against the elements. Whether you need an emergency repair or a complete roof upgrade, we work with care, precision, and respect for your property. We take pride in clear communication and honest recommendations, so you always know exactly what to expect. From the initial inspection to the final cleanup, our goal is to make the entire process stress-free and seamless for you. Every project is backed by our commitment to delivering high-quality workmanship and exceptional customer satisfaction. We understand that your roof is more than shingles and nails. It's what keeps your family and everything you love safe. Call us today at 226-977-1132 or visit shockwaveroofing.ca to schedule your free estimate. Shockwave Roofing. Strong roofs, stronger trust.